Lucky me here. There's the kingfisher. Can you see the kingfisher flying around? That's it. Oh my god, that's beautiful. So he's gonna be flying that tree to this tree. So this is gonna be his fishing ground. There's a kingfisher, blue kingfisher there, and I'm gonna try to get it with my new setup. So what happened is, if I can get the lens out, it's such a hassle taking out this big guy. Hi everyone, Richard here. Remember this C210 teleconverter from Olympus, which is a 1.9 times teleconverter, that gave the PanaLeica 100 to 400, 1.9 times on top of the 400, and plus the 2 times crop factor. Because of the micro four thirds, I got 1.520 distance for the telefocal. So the images from this was good, but not extremely sharp, but it got me close to the subject, so I could do animal portraits. Very good. So he managed to get me with 1.520 focal distance. It got me closer to my subject. Now what intrigued me was, because I wanted a good teleconverter, and most of the teleconverter, the MC14, MC20, could not work with the 100 to 400 or any other lens out of what was specified by the Olympus or Panasonic. So we'll start with that, and this is the MC14 which I got hold of, and I did a hack onto the 100 to 400 PanaLeica to get this to fit. So what was the hack? So it was very simple. It was just this plate. So if you look at the PanaLeica, there is a plate covering behind here. You just have to remove the 2 screws and take it out. So this design on the other lens that are meant to work with the teleconverter, MC14 or MC20, is a wider, bigger diameter, and it has a barrel that extends out to protect the lens from this protrusion, right? So technically it's just a matter of a back cover, and you can use this. So let me show you what happened. So with this, and because you touch the plate, right, you actually just need to move it back down, right, up to 200 is the safe zone. So if you look at that, 200, you can actually then lock it for it to go backwards, and you can turn this in already. So it will work, the connectors will work. They design it such a way that they don't want you to use it. They have another connector with a sensor there to tell them that you're using the right lens and it should work with the firmware, whatever. But technically, this has no reason. It's only to tell the sensor that, okay, it's the right lens. But physically wise, usage wise, no difference. It can work. So you just put it in and lock it in place. Right, there it goes. So there you have it, teleconverter, and then this is the body, and it just goes in. So now, even if you release the lock, let's see, release the lock, and if you go back to 100 mm, it will hit the MC14 and it can't go anymore. Okay, so if you put this in the back, it will be that way. So there's not much issues really touching there, and as well as the usage, okay, it will focus and detect. So I'm just at the long distance, I need to be really far away from the object, and that's it. So I'm going to test it out in the field and get the photos, because I tested it earlier on. Photos were great, and that's it. I mean, we've all thought that you can't use this with another lens. So, I mean, seriously, we could have used this all the while from day one. And the only reason was just the back plate and that pin there, which they put in to stop you from using other lens other than what they said. So you can look at that. What other things that you can use? I am thinking the MC20 would be nice. So I would have a very high focal range. Currently now with this setup, it is 400 mm times 1.4 times 2. So you're getting 1120 mm focal distance. So, which is okay. I'm going to try it out the field and let you guys have the photos. Follow me on my Instagram and my Facebook. You can see the photos there. I'm going to post it up there. So I'll put in the photos here as well, and as well as my Instagram and my Facebook. So you can have a look at how it looks like with this MC14 on the 100-400 PanaLeica. Okay, so I'm here to test out the MC14 with the PanaLeica 100-400, and that's the kingfisher. He's coming back. Okay, there he went down the water and got some fish. Okay, great. So I'm gonna hook it up to my body and we'll see what birds we can get today. So that's how it looks like with the MC14 on the PanaLeica, and I'm gonna try to get the kingfisher if he comes out again. I hope so. So I'm gonna give this a try and have a look. So now we are here. It's a kingfisher we saw, and then we saw a chestnut cuckoo apparently. So you can see everyone's here for birding, and hopefully we can get some shots. Yep, everyone's there. We saw it.
Where? It's like, yeah.
Where is it? Midway.
On the branch. Can you see it?
First tree or the behind? Oh yeah, first tree.
Open.
In the open first tree.
Yeah. Nice shot. Ah, gone up. Yeah.
Where's the guy?
I got your shot.
Where is it?
First tree.
It's gone up.
Oh yeah, I saw him.
Take from down it. A lot of eyes are there, so let's see. It's gone. You must open the back.
Oh, there he's jumped to the right. Just behind the branches.
Oh.
Oh, there.
Oh. Oh shit.
Follow.
There's one on the branch, is that? Yep, there's one bird on the branch. That one.
Where?
There, you see that light color thing on that branch there? It's a vertical one.
Light color thing.
Yeah, this branch here, the behind one. There, the green color branch, there's a bird there.
Green color. Oh, that. What color is
I think it's a heron.
it's a heron. But what type of
Yeah, next to the cuckoo is next to him.
striated? Huh?
Yeah, striped.
The
The cuckoo is next to him.
next to him. What?
On the left is the cuckoo. The branch on the left is where the cuckoo is.
On the branch.
Yeah, this branch that he's standing on the left, that's where the cuckoo will be.
Is there a cuckoo there?
There's a heron there. There's a heron right in front here, and the cuckoo is on the left. The heron is there, the cuckoo is the other side. Oh, you can. Oh, that sounds like the kingfisher, right? Because he makes sounds like it. gone up to the top. It's somewhere up there, the top there. This portion he went up. Yeah, when you reach the top, you probably fly out. Whoa, hard to get, man, this guy. I thought the kingfisher was bad. He's gone inside here.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think that.
So there you have it, just a quick test on how the MC14 works on the PanaLeica 100 to 400. So do give me a thumbs up if you like the video, and do subscribe for my next video. Thanks for watching. See you. Have a nice day. Bye.